All right.
So,
You know what?
my
It's fine.
team-
It's fine. Perfect mid roll. Put
my
two
team kinda crashed.
black bars activated, and intense music play now.
You don't need me? You don't need me?
Intense music playing. No, shut up. What?
Marco made a mistake.
Bro,
I have
He didn't
infinite
do it.
ammo. I have infinite ammo.
How do you
Because
have
this does
infinite ammo?
nothing to a fucking player.
What?
This does nothing, it just
There's
EMPs them,
people
bro.
here.
That's
People
all
here,
it
people here.
does. I have
yeah,
infinite
there are
ammo.
people. Run. There's a guy here.
Knock one.
Down. No! We already down two.
Get the fuck out of my house, bitch, boy.
Oh, I'm already having fun. Let's just hold hands.
Get on me.
Stay inside.
I should get
I'm fucking scared. I'm scared. Why am I scared? I'm holding an RPG. I shouldn't be scared.
I already have 3 kills.
I get shit on.
This is insane.
I fucking love this.
Yo.
This guy.
Coming. Bro, what the fuck?
Wait, don't shoot yet.
Getting down.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Yeah! I'm being killed.
Shit.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Got him.
No! Yes! Oh fuck! I forgot how slow the RPG shoots.
Yeah, fucking ass.
I broke him. He's on me.
Is he?
Fuck out of here!
Let's go!
Ah, yeah! Dude, I need ammo.
We're just off of it, just beat him up.
I wanna run out of ammo.
I have none too. I only have.
I have
3
ammunition.
Yeah! Broken on me.
Reload, damn it! Fuck!
Who killed you?
The guy
Fuck
killed
out of
me.
here, boy! Yeah! Mark,
Oh,
my
get my
God.
RPG.
Oh,
Get my RPG, Mark.
Broken.
Oh, fuck!
Broken on me. Dude, yeah, I need ammo bad. I'm running. Like, go to the roofs. Go to the roofs. Be rats on the roofs. Be mice. There's a guy here.
Plates popping. Plates! Fucking cock.
Bro, dude.
Yeah, I got him! Oh,
While we're
get the
using
fuck
RPGs.
out
Right,
of here.
so.
Get the fuck out of here. Ooh,
Bro, I have
such a
4
dirty little
kills.
rat.
That's insane.
I broke one. Shit.
Come on, EJ, you got it. Blow his ass.
Fuck, I fell.
I got him. Mark on you.
Let's go,
Mark on you.
EJ. Go into my loadout again. For fuck's sakes.
Make it count.
I got another one! Yeah! I fucking love this, dude! I have 8 kills! I'm doing better than I would in a normal match. What the fuck?
Guys, I do it.
Right here.
And you're dead. No, yeah! Finish that guy, Mark. Mark, there's another one on you. Oh, shit.
No! I got stealth.
Oh,
God, no, EJ.
no! There's a random ass guy here!
I'm running.
No! Damn it! See, Mark, that's why I camp on a roof, wait for people. Mark, go by me.
Yeah, invite EJ
Gas is
back.
closing in.
Oh no!
No!
It's fine.
Tenth one was fun.
Get them.
Alright, I'm not trying to
I
say
had to reload
anything, but I gotta get that accurate character, you know what I mean, for my RPG. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, bro.
Accurate character.
EJ, I added flash grenades.
Mark,
I'm
I
adding
gotta get that
flash
accurate.
character.
Wait, hold on, Mark. Look, I gotta get that accurate character for the weapon I'm using. You know, accurate.
Accurate character.
It's not racial or anything. I'm just saying accurate
Accurate
character.
EJ.
Accurate character.
EJ.
What? What's up? What's up?
Cancel EJ, guys. Guys, last video he was beating up an old lady with some fucking what was it? I forgot.
Bread.
Burritos. Yeah, burritos.
Burritos.
And then in the Roblox horror video, I was making fun of black people and Canadians. And then in this video, it's another race. See, I told you. I make fun of everyone. Nobody's left out.
Everyone. Bro.
No one's
I'm
left
wearing
out.
a Ruski. I'm wearing a Russian right now, dude.
I even put text saying I don't leave no one out. No one's left hanging. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Even
I
though
Kill me.
My body went flying. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm scared. Get shit on, brother. Oh my god, I'm dead. Don't go there.
You gotta use this
There's a guy,
shotgun,
two
bro.
guys outside, brother. Two guys outside.
Oh, the
Oh my god,
M4
oh my god,
shotgun?
oh my god, oh my god. Marco, stay alive for 6 seconds, brother. Please stay alive for 6 seconds. Marco. Yeah, stay alive. Stay alive. Copyright strike, stay alive. Oh my god,
Oi!
got me.
So you got him. No, you don't got him. You don't got him. EJ, come on.
I got this.
EJ,
Oh my god, brother! He shit on me. Fuck.
Keep your squad in the fight.
We're going winery.
Mark a drop point.
Let's go lighthouse because I like to blow up towers.
Nah, that's wild. That's going in the intro, buddy.
I'm playing with my future here. Oh no, mind, do not go there. There's like 18. Holy shit.
Alright, I'm going to this gas station on the
I
side.
guess everyone likes blowing up towers.
Since when did people blow up so much towers? That was my job.
Oh!
Marco, it's okay. Chris is black.
You're not gonna be.
This is
canceled.
black.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's approved by Chris.
It's gonna help out.
Approved by Chris.
Yeah, Chris is a goat. Helps out everything.
Chris is not black though.
He's pretty
He's a
black.
little. Chris is a hooker dude.
He's pretty black. He's on a scale from 1 to Kool-Aid. He's like a red Kool-Aid.
Scale
He's not purple yet, but he's a red Kool-Aid.
Kool-Aid. What?
I love purple
On a scale
Kool-Aid.
from 1 to Kool-Aid.
It's
He's
'cause-
on like about a red.
It's cause purple Kool-Aid's watermelon.
Purple's for the
flavor.
Tyrones, not for the Chris's. Purple's for the Tyrones. What did I just say? Down? That was a complete waste of a perfectly good C4. I can't see! The green shit is in the way! Why is there a fire cell in Warzone? That makes no sense!
Guys, I got my launcher.
Dog tooth. You get it?
The Pila is so ass.
Why not just use the regular RPG?
Because you said no, I had the Pila because I don't have my loadie yet.
Oh, I got a launcher. And then I just hear the sound of somebody dying. You silly.
I got a
goose.
launcher, my friend. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas.
I feel that same way too.
Feel me, right?
Yeah, I feel you. I feel every inch of you.
Ah, that's wild.
All 2.5 inches. Oh, extra disconnected. You disconnected. There's a guy over here. Go over here. Go over here.
Oh yeah.
And he's dead. Get the fuck. Get shit on, buddy. Hey, what did you finish, man? What the fuck?
Shut the fuck up, yeah.
Helicopter. I'm gonna shoot out of this guy. You ready? You ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Fuck. Yeah, I don't know who this chick is named Wi-Fi, but I use her like every day. Ah! Where's Mark? Mark fucking disappeared. Mark left. You asshole. I'm on
your feet, we are leaving!
Object 6 actual. Target is in the main house. You have execute authority.
Bravo 6. Going dark.
Alright, you know what? It's fine. It's fine. Perfect mid-roll. Put
My
two
game
two
kinda crashed.
black bars activated, and
My-
intense music play now.
You don't need me? You don't need me?
Intense music playing. No, shut up. Two black bars. Am I still alive? There's somebody in the club. Please! Bro! Why did you use the armor? That bullshit! Well, I'm gonna go eat.